J Will back with another video. A lot of people been hitting me up on Instagram asking me to run Google ads. So I'm gonna set up a Google ad for you guys today. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do, head to Digistore 24 to the marketplace. This is the product I'm gonna promote. It's called Centerville. I already created a page for it. I'm gonna use this page, just a review page of the product. Gonna head over to Google Ads, new campaign. Website traffic, search ad, name of the website, copy and paste that in there, continue, call it Centerville. I'll just name it 305. Uncheck these two boxes. Scroll down to countries. Gonna go United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. After that, scroll down. Budget, I'll say $250 a day. Gonna set this to clicks. Set maximum bid. I'm gonna start off at $3.50. Scroll down. Save and continue. We're gonna head over to our keyword tools. These are the keywords we're gonna use. We're gonna put that in exact and phrase match. Select all, copy. Gonna paste that right in here. Erase all these. Paste that right up in here. Save and continue. Okay, once you hit continue with Google Ads, they already have ads made for us. So Centerville for 1090s, review. We can put read before you buy. Before you buy, let's see, order today. Okay, once you set those, you make sure you pin these down so it won't scramble around your ads. It'll leave it just like that. And let's see, some people, okay, it's already typed in here. So let me see. We can say free shipping, Centerville, review, I went back and added free shipping on that. You guys can pause. This is how the ad should look. You guys can pause the screen and freeze it right here. Then we're gonna save and continue. Okay, we're gonna swing on over to Click Magic. We're gonna make a tracking link. Centerville, Google ad. Copy, paste this in here. Create link. Centerville, Google ad. Put this in the tracking of the ad, right where it says tracking. Come on, right here, tracking template. Paste that up in there. We're gonna save and continue. Checking campaign. Everything looks good. Published. And there we go. Wait for it to get approved. With Google Ads, you cannot direct link. You need to have a domain name. You need to have a website created. I'm just using this as an example. You guys can either follow this campaign or pick your own product, make your own page, and do the same thing I just did. But that's how you make a Google ad. So in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment. Follow me on Instagram at JWillTV.